Hey everyone, this is Derek. This video is going to be just a short little refresher on horizontal and vertical lines. Not difficult, but easily forgotten. So this one is asking us to sketch a graph of y equals 3 and state the slope. Okay, and then the other one's going to, same thing, sketch a graph of x equals 3, state the slope. So for horizontal lines, those are going to take the form y equals, or vertical lines are going to take the form x equals. So that is backwards what's intuitive, right? Because the horizontal line's going this way, and we think, x goes this way, but that's going to be our y equals vertical. Again, we kind of like to think y goes this way, but vertical line's x equals. How come that is? So if we have y equals 3, I think I will do it right here. X, y. So if I have y equals 3, what that means is y pretty much just equals 3. Doesn't matter what x is. So if x is 0, y pretty much 3. If x is 1, yep, it's still 3. So if I graph that, when x is 0, y is 3. When x is 1, y is still 3. You can see that for a constant value of y, what that means is you get a horizontal line because it's not changing. It's not moving up or down at all. And so that's why y equals gets you horizontal. We'll see the same thing for x equals. In terms of the slope, well, right here it says the slope is 0. The reason for that is, so if you remember slope from a couple videos ago, slope is rise over run. And so in this case, our rise, there is no rise, right? It's not increasing or decreasing. So our rise is 0 over our run can be, whatever, any 2 points you pick. We'll pick these two, so our change would be 1. But it wouldn't matter which 2 points I pick because it's still 0 divided by a number, and that makes it 0. And so if you think of, if you're going for a hike and I'm like, yeah, no, dude, it's no slope, it's totally easy. Yeah, that's just kind of it'd be a flat hike, right? So a slope of 0 would be flat. For this one, sketch a graph of x equals 3. So what that means is pretty much x equals 3. And it doesn't matter, y could be 0, y could be 1, y could be anything. X is going to stay 3. So x is 3 when y is 0. X is 3 when y is 1. So you can see all those are going to line up along, pretend like I draw a line. Those are going to line up along x equals 3. These are all lining up along y equals 3. So here, what's the slope? Okay, so rise over run. I have all kinds of rise in the situation, right? So I can make that any number I want, but my run, no matter what 2 points I pick, is always going to be 0. So this would be division by 0, and that is how come the slope is going to be undefined for a vertical line.